Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 104 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we're doing the window part of the door. So we've got the window part here. We've got the door latch to build up as well. So we need that bit soon. But first of all, we need 2 of these EP screws. Two of those. And spare will stay in the packet. There we go. We need EP screws, really 2 of the BM screws. I should separate from those by putting them below because they're going below. That's going down there. Put them. Right, so this window is fitting into here. It is shaped. I realise the back is not symmetrical. Well, the back is probably symmetrical, but the door has got a hinge on it, so it's obviously not quite symmetrical. So yes, this is fitting on there. Actually fits from the outside. No, it sort of fits. I don't know exactly how that. Yeah, it sort of doesn't really fit from the outside or the inside. It only holds in at the bottom. It doesn't go up and down, this one, obviously. Then the frame needs to go in there. That's the tricky bit. Got to get that lined up and that lined up at the same time. These 2 bits have got to locate in the top. And then the bottom bit's got to slip in, maybe. Is that the easy way of doing it? See, the window's fallen out, but that should be okay. Yeah, they've got to go in there first. The window will fit in from behind. And then that's got to go. I can't go in there first as well because that's got to go in and under. Right, this is going to take a little bit of manipulation, I think. They've both got to go in. That's got to go in sort of upwards, and that's got to go in downwards. But they're going to have to go in and flex. Right, let's see. I bend that in the middle. Yeah, that'll go in there. Do the same on this side. That goes in there. It'll start to come off a little bit as well. We'll need to glue that in as well. So that's that. And then we can probably fit the window in from the inside. Yeah, it sort of locks in under a little ledge at the top and at the bottom. Those screws are not going to hold that in. Right, this is... No, the window is not being held in by the frame at all. Not going to fit the other side, no. So that must be held in place later by the internal panel, which must be next time. Let me just double check to see that I'm not being an idiot. Fit the parts together from behind using... So yeah, the screws do just go in, but it doesn't really hold the window in place yet. It might a little bit, but not completely. So basically we're fitting in the window frame and hoping that the window doesn't escape in the time being. I need an extra one of those M screws because there's 3 at the bottom. Right, let me get this together and figure out what's happening with the catch, and I will do the catch in a minute. So I'll see you soon. Right, there we go. That's all of that attached in there. Yes, the window is in fact currently loose. It doesn't hold in there at all. It sort of pops in a little bit, but doesn't really hold in securely. I've also put in the little door catch that just pops in place because that was a little bit tricky to do. We've got 4 more things: 1 screw, 3 bits. We've got exactly the same as we did on the other thing. We've got the spring through the pin, and then that goes through. Get this the right way round. There, like that. So that will spring inwards when the catch is pushed or released. So the little bit pops out there. That goes on there. Like that. There's a pin that holds it in place and a screw that will hold it at the right angle as well. So that is that. That in there. And there we have another door, at least from the external angles, complete. The catch working on there as well. So we've got the hinge piece there. So yeah, it's all coming together. Next time we are going to be fitting this to the car, as well as finish off obviously the inside of it first. So join me for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.